It's Levi with Project Junkeez. Today I decided that I was going to sit down and answer a bunch of the questions that I get on a regular basis when I'm doing my estimates, or even after I do an estimate. I'll have customers shoot me an email or a text with questions regarding what the work looks like, what the scope looks like, what the timeline looks like, different things of that nature. So I wanted to actually answer those questions before I even start working for you. That way, going into the project, you know that you've picked the right contractor and we're going to deliver on what we've told you that we would. So to start with, the first one I've got is, how do your estimates work? So the way it works is, regardless of how you found us, could have been found on Facebook or Google or social media, regardless of how you found us, you can go straight onto the website, and the website is broken into two categories. You have one category that is full renovation, then you have one category that's handyman type work. And so you select which one that you want, and then from there it'll take you to a screen that allows you to book the estimate. And then on the estimate, it's going to ask for a bunch of details, so you'll plug all those in, and then I immediately get an email saying, hey, customer scheduled their estimate on this day, and from there I'll get a hold of you just to confirm the estimate, and then I'll see you on that day. So as far as scheduling the estimate, that's how that works. And then once I get there, usually we'll go through the project, and then while we're going through the project, I'll kind of walk you through some things such as finishes or different trim kits. You know, say we're doing a bathroom, a lot of customers will ask, well, you know, do I provide the shower head and things like that? And because I'm the contractor, I know a little more about the actual products that we need to buy for the project. So I'll give you an example. When it comes to picking a trim kit for the shower, the trim kit's not just going to consist of the shower head, the shower arm, and then the actual handle. Trim kit typically comes with a diverter, right? And the diverter is what's in the wall that you never see, that we install when we're doing a shower reno. And so when I tell you, you know, I'm gonna line item on the estimate that you have the trim kit that's going in, but it includes the diverter, so I'll have a dollar amount on the estimate. So I'll answer questions like that, and then we'll go over a little bit about finishes, things like, you know, brush nickel versus bronze versus black, and then we'll also go through, you know, questions, different types of questions, like difference between ceramic and porcelain, and difference between MDF and pine trim, different questions of that nature. So once I actually show up at your house and we walk through what your project is, I'll kind of get an idea of where you're at based off of what we talked about during the estimate. And then on top of that, if there are any type of reference images or styles that my customers like, what I would tell them is, hey, do me a favor, text the number, because it goes to both myself and the admin, text the number, any pictures that you have of stuff that you like, or even go on Pinterest and find some things that you know that you like, so that I have an opportunity to kind of get in your head when it comes to designing the space that you want, right? Because we do lots of kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, fireplaces, all over the place. And I work for a lot of different customers that have a lot of different tastes, right? Some customers go more traditional, some more modern. And that being said, it's very easy for me to get inside your head when you send me pictures or Pinterest pages, which I know is a really popular way of kind of planning out what your reno is going to look like. So that's how the estimates work.